everybody and welcome to my next review on the channel. In today's video I make a review about these two PSG jerseys. As you can see, one the home version and one the away jersey. So these jerseys I've ordered from Minejerseys.cn. But now let's start with the jerseys. At the end of the video I'll also measure them so you can see the exact sizes. Both of the jerseys are size XL and also they are fun version jerseys. Let's start with the home jersey because this one is a long sleeve jersey. I'll put this one away for now and let's see the jersey. It's a really nice design. It's a bit retro design, I would say. I don't know in which year PSG had this jersey which is similar to this one, and of course everything is embroidered, as you can see, embroidered really well. On the back you can see the embroidery and also the Nike logo embroidered as well, and the Qatar Airways sponsor logo is heat pressed on the chest of the jersey. On the left sleeve also heat pressed the other sponsor, the GOAT sponsor logo, even if the GOAT isn't playing for them anymore. The engineered little badge on the bottom of the jersey, and the material, it's not that elastic as a player version jersey, but still it's a good material, and it's not the best to play football in it, but that's why it's a fun version. It's perfect for going to the matches in it. So yeah, color of the jersey, it's something between a v-neck and a rounded neck. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's dry fit and size XL, and even this little detail, Paris Saint-Germain on the neck of the jersey. This is how it looks like. It's a nice jersey. But now let's go to the back of the jersey, which is customized, and of course you can always customize with the original font and the original number of the season for each team, which is the best part about this website, and this is why I like it very much, because as you can see, all these letters with this little League One badge or logo on the bottom, and also the font, the letters, everything, every detail, and even this little French flag on the back here on the top of the jersey. This is a little interesting thing here on the bottom. Now let's measure it so you can see the exact sizes. The width of the jersey, let's see, it's 55 centimeters, so fun version XL jersey, and the height of the jersey 76 centimeters. Here it's 49 centimeters. Pretty much those are the sizes. You can compare it with your other jerseys. Maybe the length of the sleeve if you are interested, because it's a long sleeve jersey, it's 79. But now let's go to the next jersey, which is similar to this one, but it's the away jersey and it's short sleeve. Again, a gradient from red to blue with the Qatar Airways logo heat pressed on the chest of the jersey. The embroidery of the logo are the same, so both the Nike and the PSG logo. Yeah, embroidered really well. Also this little badge here, this triangle is white, not red, but it's the same design, and also got the GOAT logo on the left sleeve of the jersey. And on the back, this time a legendary player for Paris Saint-Germain, Ronaldinho. So yeah, Ronaldinho 21 again. The two gradients continue on the back, also nice design, nice idea. The letters and the number with this drop shadow and the red League One logo, and here again the stroke of the letters with red and the French logo here on the top. So everything really nice. And let's see the measurements. This one is 56. The height of the jersey is 75. Here it's 49. pretty much the same sizes. So these are the two jerseys, two very beautiful jerseys, and if you like these reviews, then please hit the like button and subscribe because more reviews are coming. Thank you, goodbye.